Hello students, I am Nikita Agarwal and welcome to my channel Apostle Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about some question related to topic we discussed in the previous class, and first of all we are going to revise the topic that we are discussed in the earlier class. In earlier class we have discussed about the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse of a right triangle. So first of all, we are now going to consider a right triangle ABC. In this right triangle, we consider angle B as 90 degree and our theta is at angle C. If we are considering our angle is at position C, then our base is the side adjacent to the angle theta, and our perpendicular is in the front of angle theta, and hypotenuse is the always fixed. If now we are going to consider another triangle ABC. In this triangle, angle B is 90 degree and we are considering our angle theta at the position of A. So students, in this case the base is the side adjacent to the angle theta. So where is the angle theta? It is at the position of A. Then our base is here and perpendicular is in the front of angle theta. So our perpendicular is here and hypotenuse is as always is fixed. So in this we are going to discuss like base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. If we are consider our angle theta as position of C, then the base is the line BC and perpendicular is line AB. And if we are considering our angle theta at the position of A, then our base is line AB and perpendicular is line BC. Clear? Now we are going to discuss about the trigonometric ratios. There are 60 ratios. What is the concept? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole, Sona Chandi Tole. Then what is sine? Sine is P upon, sine theta is P upon H. That is the first row. Cos theta is B by H and tan theta is P by B. And cot theta, what is cot theta? Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is B by P. And what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that is H upon P. And what about sec theta? Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so it is H by B. So now we also discuss about, we can also rewrite it tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta as cos theta upon sin theta. Clear? Now we are going to discuss these 4 questions in this class. First of all, in the question number 1, in triangle ABC, right triangle at B, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is 7 centimeter, and we have to determine sin A cos A and sin C cos C. So first of all, we are going to draw a right triangle ABC. In this right triangle ABC, right angle is at position B and AB is given as 24 centimeter and BC is given as 7 centimeter. So students, what we have to do? We have to calculate the hypotenuse, that is AC. We have to calculate the hypotenuse, that is AC. So we are going to calculate hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So in this triangle, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now what is AB? AB is 24. So 24 square plus 7 square is equals to AC square. So square of 24, we have to learn square till 30. The square of 24 is 576 and square of 7 is 49, and their sum is 625, and we write AC as under root of 625, so value of AC is 25. Clear? We get the value of AC as 25. Now we have to discuss about the sin A and cos A. So first of all, now we are taking our angle as, I am going to remove this and then we solve the next. We are going to find out sin A. So for sin A we are taking angle here. So if angle is at theta is at this position, what is the base? Then base is side adjacent to the angle theta and the perpendicular is in the front of angle theta. So the concept Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So sin Sona Chandi Tole. So sin is P by H. So sin theta is, sin A is P by H. So what is P in this case? P is 7. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is 25. So we can write sin A as 7 upon 25. Then what is cos A? Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So what is base in this case? Base is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Now we are going to discuss sin C. So in the case of sin C, our theta is at this position. Our theta is changing at the position of C. So we have to calculate sin C. So in the case of sin C, our base is this. If we have to calculate the sin C, then our theta is shifted to C. So our base is this BC and our perpendicular is this AB. So in this case, sin C means P by H. So what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 24. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is as usual same, that is 25. And now we have to discuss cos C. So what is the value of cos C? Cos C means B by H. So what is base in this case? Base is 7 and hypotenuse is as usual 25. So in this question, the main important thing is how to consider the angle. If we have to choose the angle as A, then our base is AB and our perpendicular is BC. Or in the case of if we have to choose angle at C, then our base is BC and perpendicular is AB. This is clear? This is really very important concept. Now we are going to, I am going to remove this and then we are proceed to our second question. In the question number 2, it is given that in the question number 2, there is a figure of a triangle PQR in which PQ is 12 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter and angle Q is 90 degree. And we have to find 10P minus cot R. So first of all, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we have to calculate what? We have to calculate QR. So first of all, I am going to apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PQR. So what we can write? PQ square plus QR square is equals to PR square. So what is PQ? PQ is 12. So it is 12 square plus QR is, we have to find the QR, and then what is PR square? So PR is 13, so it's 13 square. So now 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. QR square 169 minus 144. So 169 minus 144 is 25. So QR we get as 5. Clear? We get QR as 5. Now it is clear. We have the value of QR. Now we have to find out the value of 10P. So in the case of 10P, our base is, our theta is here. Our theta is here. So what is base? Base is side adjacent to the angle theta. So this is going to be base And what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is in the front of the angle theta. So this is perpendicular. From this formula we can find tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So now we have to find the tan P. So value of tan P is, what is the perpendicular? In this case perpendicular is 5 and base is 12. So tan P is equals to 5 by 12. Now we have to calculate the value of cot R. So how can we find out the value of cot R? In this case, this is really very important. Our angle is going to be changed again. If our angle is at this place, then the value of cot R is changed. Like if our angle is at the place of theta, then our base is this QR and perpendicular is this PQ. So what is the value of cot R? So according to this formula, cot R is the reciprocal of tan theta. So that is base upon perpendicular. So what is base? Base is 5 and perpendicular is 12. Now put both the values in the equation, tan P minus cot R. So we are going to put both the values in the equation here. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So answer here is 0. So in this question we did, first of all we apply Pythagoras theorem and then we calculate the value of QR, and the value of QR is coming out to be 5, and then we calculated the value of tan P and then calculated the value of cot R, and then they substitute all of these values in the equation, and finally our answer comes out to be 0. Now we are moving towards question number 3. In question number 3, it is given that 5 cot A is equals to 8. Find the value of sin A and sec A. So first of all, we have to solve this equation 15 cot A. We have to solve the equation 15 cot A is equals to 8. So first of all, we have to remove this 15. So cot A is equals to 8 upon 15. Clear? Now, what is the value of cot A? So cot A is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. So cot is reciprocal of 10. So it is base upon perpendicular. Clear? Now we are going to consider a right triangle again, and we give the right triangle name as B. We give the right triangle name as ABC. And in this our angle B is 90 degree and cot A means our theta is here, right? And we have given base. Base as, we can consider this as 10k and 15k. We can use any number like A, B, C, D. So now we are going to consider here as k. So we have base as 8k and perpendicular as 15k. Again, what we have to find? We have to find the hypotenuse AC. And we all know that we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So in the Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So we know that AB square is 8k square, BC square is 15k square is equals to AC square. 8k means 64k square, and 225 15 square is 225. So 225k square, and that is equals to AC square. Now we have to add the 64 and 225. That is going to be 289. 5 plus 4 9, 6 by 6 plus 2 8, and that is 289. And 289 is the square root of which number? 289 is the square root of 17. So 289k square is equals to AC square. So value of AC is going to be 17k. Clear? Now we know the value of AC. What is the value of AC? Value of AC is 17k. Clear? In this case, base is this, perpendicular is this, and this is hypotenuse. Now I am going to rub this and then we proceed toward, we have to find the value of sin A and sec A. Now, what is the value of sine A? So, value of sine A, we know that what is sine? Sine is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, according to this question, what is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 15k and hypotenuse is 17k. So, we can cancel k to k and our answer is 15 upon 17. Now, we have to find the value of sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base, h by b. So, value of hypotenuse is 17k and the value of base is 8k. Again we have to cancel k to k and our answer is going to be 17 by 8. So, it is clear in this question, first of all we have to solve the 15 cot A. So, the value of cot A is 8 by 15, that we called as base upon perpendicular. Now, we are going to discuss one right triangle ABC in which we have the values of base and perpendicular and we have to find out the hypotenuse, and we are going to find out the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem, and that is 17k, and then we apply the formula for sine A and sec A and we get the answer. Clear? Now we are going to proceed toward question number 4. In question number 4, we have given that cot theta is equals to, in question number 4, it given that cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. So, in this question again we are considering a right triangle ABC, in which right triangle is at angle B. So, angle B is 90 degree and I am going to consider theta at the position of angle C. So, this is base, this is perpendicular and this is going to be our hypotenuse. So, we know that what is cot theta? Cot theta is B by P. We know that cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Clear? So, here the base is 7 and the perpendicular is 8. Now we have to find out the hypotenuse AC and we are going to calculate this hypotenuse AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So now applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. So it's, what is AB? AB is 8. So it is 64 plus 49 is equals to, what is 7 square? 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. So that is equals to AC square. Now we have to calculate 64 plus 49, that is 13 plus 11. So it's 113. So AC square is, AC is under root of 113. Now we have to calculate the value of 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. Here there is a one really very good concept. We know that the formula of a square minus b square from our childhood. What is the formula of a square minus b square? It is a square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Now we are going to use this formula. Here is 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. This is a plus b and a minus b. So we can rewrite this as 1 square minus sine theta square. And we also rewrite this as 1 square minus cos theta square. 1 square minus cos theta square. Clear? So now we have to find out the value of sine theta and cos theta. So now I am going to calculate the value of sine theta and cos theta. So we know that the concept Pandit Badri Prashad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So what is sine? So sine theta is P by H. So according to this question, what is P? P is 8 and H is under root of 113. H is under root of 113. So it is 113. And what is cos theta? So value of cos theta is B by H. So what is B here? B is 7. And what is H here? H is again 113. So now we can substitute these two values in the equation number 1. I am giving this equation name as equation number 1. So what is the value of sine theta? 1 square is 1. Value of sine theta is 8 under root 113 square upon 1 minus 7 under root 113 square. Now we have to solve this equation. I am going to remove the upper part of the question and then going to solve this equation. So according to this equation, now what is 1 minus 8 square is 64 and under root 113 square is 113 only upon 1 minus 7 square, that is 49, and under root of 113 is 113. Now this step is really very important. We have to take the LCM over here. So we take 113 as LCM. 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. So in this case we cancel out this 113 and then we left with 113 minus 64 and 113 minus 49. So 113 minus 64 is 49 and 113 minus 49 is 64. So here the answer is 49 upon 64. This question is really very important. In this question, first of all, we have to calculate the value of sine theta and cos theta, and then we have to apply the identity as a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b and a minus b. Now we have to find the value of cot theta. This is very simple. Cot square theta, we have to simply square root this 7 upon 8 whole square. So answer is 49 upon 64. Thank you all. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and in the next class I am going to discuss the trigonometric table. So this class is really very important. Thank you all.